when it comes to the last question on the paper, when you get to Pulp Fiction, and you've got that last 25 minutes to write a response around 2 sides of A4. Here's a quick overview of his filmography as of 2019, when he made Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Now, I know you've seen this slide before, but I would pause it and make sure you make a note of it, or just have it as a reminder. Here are his auteur traits. So throughout Tarantino's filmography, we have seen the following bullet points. So make sure you memorize a few of these along with where they appear in Pulp Fiction, in order to have a strong argument when discussing his auteur traits. If an auteur question comes up, make sure you understand how to define the word auteur and its French New Wave origins. Make sure you know the influences on QT. Ensure you remember that Tarantino is recognized as an auteur officially as of 2018. Tarantino-esque is in the dictionary. He has very strong and obvious signature traits. There's use of intertextuality, which he says are homage. And there is a distinct postmodern treatment of storytelling and narrative. He disrupts spectators' expectations with ironic and a tongue-in-cheek way. So clearly, Quentin Tarantino is postmodern in his approach. Now, an item that is considered postmodern is one or more of these things, these 8 things that I've got in front of you. And Pulp Fiction has examples of all of these 8. So make sure you remember these terms and you are able to have a key scene attached them to. Here's a reminder of the counter argument. So we know he said he steals from every movie ever, but he even stole that quote. And how can it be new if it's made up of other sources? That's an example of bricolage. His revenge themes lack substance, and ultimately he's responsible to the film studio. So if his films flops, which one of them famously did, if 2 of them flopped in a row, I very much doubt he would be able to secure funding in the future.